This is lesson 12.5, power of products and quotients. What do I mean? I need to distribute the exponent outside to everything inside. How do I do that? Inside the parentheses. How do I do that? The first thing I do, the first example I have is a over b to the third power. What do? I need to distribute the 3 into the a, into the b. So my answer is a3 over b3. Are they similar? No, so I cannot simplify them. That's my answer. The second example, 2x. What does 2x mean? 2 times x. All of this to the second power. What do I do to the 2? I distribute it to the 2 and to the x. So it is 2 to the second times x to the second. 2 to the second is 4, and I leave the x to the second. It's simply distributing everything outside, but before you distribute, I'm going to give you a trick. You have to open it up, show what they are, because you are not allowed to distribute the 2 only to the x. It should be distributed into the 2, into the x. The third example is minus 5y. What does minus 5y mean? Minus 5 times y. All of this to the second power. Again, I'm distributing the 2, which is negative 5 to the second power. Why did I put a parenthesis? Because it's a negative. Times y to the second. Negative 5 times negative 5 is a 25, and I bring down the y to the second. The fourth example is negative 3 over k. Again, I need to distribute the 5 into the negative 3, the numerator, and into the denominator. So it is negative 3. All of this to the fifth power over k to the fifth. Negative 3 times a negative 3 is a 9. Times a negative 3 is a negative 27. A negative 27 times a negative 3 is an 81. And an 81 times a negative 3 is a negative 243 over k to the fifth. I cannot do anything about it. The fifth example is I have an exponent inside, an exponent outside. What do? I multiply them. I am not multiplying only when you have a parenthesis, you multiply your exponents. So it's p minus 4 times 5, so it's p negative 20. Only when you have exponents inside and exponents outside your parentheses, your rule is multiplying. The same goes for here. I'm going to distribute, first thing I do, a2 times b6, all of this to the fourth power. I distribute the 4, a2 times 4 times b6 times 4. So it's a8, b24. Please remember, whenever you have exponents inside and outside, you multiply. Other than that, you simply distribute the exponent that's outside your parentheses. Again, I'm distributing the 4 into the w, into the v. So it's w 2 times 4 over v 3 times 4, which is w8 over v12. Is there anything to be simplified? There are two different variables. I cannot simplify them. This is very easy, and this is your lesson 12.5.